In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset iPhone without losing data. So if you are struggling to put up with your iPhone, but things are not working as expected, you can easily reset your iPhone without losing a single data or without formatting the iPhone completely. So if you are done with this video, if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now this is what you need to do. When you want to reset your iPhone and you don't want to lose any data, it's go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, just scroll down and click on general. Then under the general settings, scroll down and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Here, click on reset under transfer or reset iPhone. Now what you need to do next here is this. You want to choose reset all settings. Then once you click on that, you should see confirm with your Face ID. Go ahead and confirm your Face ID. Then you should see what that says security delay. So this is if you enable security delay. Otherwise, your iPhone is going to reset your iPhone settings without losing your data. Then go ahead and tap start security delay. Now once you click on start security delay, you should see the countdown, time remaining. Then click on done. And once you click on the done button, you can come back here once the security delay is off to come and repeat the process and then reset your iPhone. And once your iPhone is reset, all your data will remain intact and you not lose any data on your iPhone. So this is how you can easily reset iPhone without losing data. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.